I'm all suited up in my coveralls because I'm pulling out the gas tank on our Ford F-150. Alright, so having a look under here. There's our fill neck right there, and a hose clamp. That's a flexible hose, and there's the solid bit of pipe here. So we're gonna get that disconnected, pull that off, and then under here I've got 4 bolts on either ends of these straps, and I put some penetrating oil on them already, so they're ready to go. So the idea being, take the jack and a piece of plywood and just rest it against the tank. You don't want to apply pressure, but just rest it, and then undo those bolts, lower the tank a little bit so that I can get to the fuel lines that are going to be on top of the sending unit.
I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay, 'cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright.
It's fun. Not. People always ask me why I'm not a mechanic anymore. Dirty jobs like this, that's why. So the fuel tank's out, that's all done. I need to order some parts. I'm gonna need to get a new fuel pump, and it looks like I need a lock ring and possibly even the gas tank. Or maybe I'll just epoxy the new one in. I don't know yet how cheap I want to go. I'm gonna price things out. But either way, done for today. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed me getting all dirty under that truck, and we'll see you guys on the next one.